Hi everybody, we're going to cover the beginning steps to drug calculations and kind of understanding how things work. Occasionally you'll run into an issue where you have to convert a medication. You may have it on hand as milligram, or say a really good example is you'll have a fluid base that's grams per milliliter, and the doctor is ordering you to give micrograms. So you have to figure out how to make those conversions. So that's what we're going to talk about today. So on the paper here you will see that you've got kilograms, and then you've got two arrows, gram, two arrows, two directional arrows, milligrams, and then this is micrograms. Sometimes you will see it with a funny shaped U. Whoops, sorry, that's supposed to be a G. I'm at the top of the page and screwing with me. But anyway, you will see a funny shaped U in place of the M, and that's supposed to be micrograms. So make sure that you're not misconstruing that as milligram. It's actually microgram when it looks like a funny shaped U. Alright, so to kind of explain how this works, I'm going to change colors here real quick. When you are converting, you're going to move 3 spots, one direction or another. So if you are converting from kilograms to grams, you're going to be moving 3 spots in that direction. If you're converting from gram into kilograms, you're going to be moving from 3 points that direction. Same thing goes down here. So let me give you an example. If you have a medication that is 0.016 milligrams and you want to know how many micrograms that is, then you're going to have to, wow, let me take that off there. I don't know what that did. Okay, in order to make that happen, you've got to take this decimal point and you have to move it three places. And because we're moving this way, we're going to move the decimal point this way. So we go 1, 2, and 3. So we have 16 micrograms. That's your answer. So let's do another one just to kind of give you an idea of how it works if you're going the other way. Let's say you have a I don't know, what do we want to make it here? Let's make it 100 grams, and we want to convert it over to kilograms. So we're going from grams in this case, and we're moving toward the kilograms. So we're going to take that decimal point, which we know is at the end of the whole number, and we're going to move it 3 spots. 2, 3. So our answer is 0.1 kilograms. Let me see if we can give you another one, for example. Let me change colors. All right. So let's say we're going from grams, which is very common. You've got 10 grams, and you want to know how many milligrams that is. So you're going to take that decimal point. Well, all of a sudden we know it's down here on the end. You're going to move grams to milligrams, so you're pointing in that direction. So you're going to take the 10 and you're going to add 1, 2, 3. So you're going to add those zeros into it. So your answer is, I love delays, there we go, 10,000 milligrams would be your answer. Now of course this is a ludicrous response, and you're not going to see this on any medical patient you've got. This is just to give you an example of how we're moving based on the direction that we're trying to convert toward. So let's do one more, just for the sake of doing it. Let's say that we know we have, I'm sorry, I'm still trying to get used to this pen. Let's say we know that we've got 0.04 grams, whoops, and you're wanting to take that over to micrograms. You go, well, what am I doing? Well, you've got to move a total of 6 points. So you'd go 0.04, and you're going to go 1, 2, 3. So you would have 40 milligrams, but you have to find out what it is in mics. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, and it's going to be 40,000 micrograms. So your answer would be 40,000 micrograms. Alright, so I've cleared out the page here and I've opened up a new one, and I want to give you a practice example, and I hope you will pause the video when I put this up here, and then that way you can practice it, and then I will give you the answer. So let's try this out and see how it goes. We'll say that you have a patient who is 100 kilograms. There goes that daggone. I'm hitting something when I do that. I don't know what it is yet. Alright, so we've got a 100 kilo patient. And we are going to find out how many grams this is. Here's that crazy line again. Alright, pause the video, work this out, and let's see if we get the same answer. Magic of TV. Here's your answer. I hope you had it right. It would be 100,000 grams, because again, you're moving from kilograms toward the grams. So you're going that way, so you're going to move that 3 spaces in that direction. So let's try another one real quick. Let me pull up a different color just so we can stay on the same focus. Alright, so this time let's say that we're giving 0.25 milligrams, and we want to know how many micrograms that will be. Oh my goodness. Alright. Pause the video, give it a shot, see how you do. Alright, so if you came up with an answer of 250 micrograms, you are correct, because you're going to take that decimal point, and again, you're moving it toward micrograms, so we're going to do it in that direction, 3 spaces. So let's try it a little different. Let's go back the other direction. So I'm going to give you one to practice, and then we will give you a second to do it for yourself. So let me pull a new color, and we will come down here, and let's say this time we're going to do 25 micrograms. We're going to do 25 micrograms, and we want to convert that over to milligrams. So let's give that a try. Go ahead and pause the video and give it a shot. Okay, so now we have an answer for this one of 0.025 milligrams, because we are moving from mics and we have to take that decimal point to the left. So if you've got this, you're doing really well. We've got some practice homework sheets on the Blackboard website under homework. If you jump into that, you can practice that first one. It'll give you some opportunities to kind of put this into play. You can retake it as many times as you want. I have it designed like the quizzes, so you can take it as much as necessary. Hope this helped, and we will see you